Have you ever felt like your life suddenly started going down without any clear reason? Maybe your health, money, relationships, sleep, or peace of mind started getting disturbed again and again. In spiritual healing, this can sometimes be connected to negative energy, evil eye, curses, hexes, or energetic attacks. In this video, I will share 7 common signs that people often experience when they feel affected by a curse or negative energy. Sign number 1 is sudden bad luck. Everything was going normal, but suddenly problems start coming one after another. Business loss, relationship problems, arguments, delays, and blockages may appear without any clear reason. Sign number 2 is heavy energy around you. You may feel tired, low, lazy, or emotionally heavy even after sleeping properly. Sometimes people say, "I feel like something is draining my energy." Sign number 3 is disturbed sleep or nightmares. You may wake up between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m., have scary dreams, feel pressure, or feel like someone is around you. Sign number 4 is sudden fights in the family. A peaceful home may suddenly become full of arguments, anger, misunderstanding, and emotional distance. Sign number 5 is financial blockage. Money comes but disappears quickly. Business slows down. Clients stop responding. Opportunities are delayed again and again. Sign number 6 is feeling watched or followed spiritually. Some people feel fear for no reason, heaviness in certain rooms, or discomfort when they pray or meditate. Sign number 7 is repeated health issues with no clear cause. Medical checkups may be normal, but the person still feels weakness, body pain, headache, anxiety, or chest heaviness. Important note: these signs do not always mean you are cursed. Sometimes there can be emotional, physical, or medical reasons too. Always take practical steps and medical advice when needed. But if you feel the problem is spiritual or energetic, then energy clearing can help you feel lighter and protected. CTA. If you feel you are affected by negative energy, evil eye, curse, hex, or black magic, you can book a distance curse removal session with us. The link is in the description. Ending. May you be protected, peaceful, and free from all negative energies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who may need it.